Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to attach receipt in Spendee. All right, you actually have two ways: adding a receipt while creating or adding a transaction, or adding a receipt to an existing transaction. So first one, just tap on the plus sign and let's go ahead and add in a fresh transaction. Okay, so maybe I'm going to go ahead and select gifts right here. I'm going to tap on it. I'm going to go ahead and add in an amount, for example, $100. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and select today right here. Write a note, gift for my nephew, just for example. Now what you want to do next is just go and scroll all the way down and you will find the select a photo option. Okay. This is the only option that we have for us to be able to upload a receipt or attach a receipt. So just tap on it. You could either take a photo, okay, or choose from your gallery. So just for example, I'm going to take a photo right here. All right. And for example, this one is your receipt. Okay. Now all you do is just tap on it to take a snap like so and tap on OK. And once that's done, here you have your receipt. And all you got to do next is just tap on add transaction. Wait for it. And once that's done, as you can see here, we got the gift minus 100, the note, and the image right here that is still loading. Okay, while it loads, I'm going to show you the second option. As you can see here, we have these transactions that doesn't have an attached receipt. Okay, for example, we have here extra income. Okay, just tap on select photo, choose from, just for example, or take photo if you want to. Okay, for example, this one is the receipt. I'm going to tap on it and it will be uploaded. Just tap on save changes. Wait for the process to finish. And once that's done, you should be good to go. Now, if you do get an error where it says unable to load the image, don't worry about it. It will eventually upload. If not, you can go ahead and force close the application itself, reopen it like so. And once that's done, you should be good to go. That is it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.